Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you 3 ways that I'm winning and that you can start winning with your short form content. Stay with me, watch this video all the way to the end. I've got some things that I found out about our views and how we can get our shorts to show up on that short shelf. You do not want to miss what we're going to talk about. Let's get into it. If you're watching this, you're someone who either has done short form content, you're in the process of doing it, or you really don't know too much about it, you would like to know more about it. Maybe you clicked this button by mistake. Either way it go, I'm glad you're here. Or maybe you just like to hang out with me and you've been enjoying my journey, growing and expanding, finding the family, finding an audience. If that's you, thank you for watching this video. You will not be disappointed. I'm going to share with you a few things that I picked up, and mainly 3 ways that I'm winning with my short form content. And the first way that I'm winning and that I want to share with you is I've learned how to get my shorts to show up on that short shelf, as they say. And what I would suggest, and this is what I've done, this is what has worked for me. You're going to get it on the short shelf. First criteria that I know that it has to be within a vertical format. And I've been repurposing a lot of my content with a screen recorder. Don't want to get too deep into that unless you leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to hear more about that. But my main thing is this was just sharing with you real quick 3 ways that I'm winning that you can win. The first, I've learned how to get it to show up on the shelf. And the way you do that, make sure it's vertical format, different heights according to how I want to repurpose it. If you got the phone with the smartphone, you can do it like that. You don't have to worry about that. So that's the first thing, to make sure you can get it on there. Make sure it's vertical and less than 60 seconds. I used to think there was 60 seconds or less. And because we are in the testing stage, I think they're letting a lot of things pass by. I had to make sure mine was less than 60 seconds and in the vertical format. That's the first way, to make sure you get it to show up on the shelf. The second way that I've done that is that I've looked, and a lot of people don't use a lot of descriptions. Now, if you're one of those big YouTubers like, Infinite Waters, Diving Deep, Raising the Vibration, somebody out there who's doing it big, you probably don't need a description. But what I've learned is that you put the description not for the people, you put it in for the computer. See, the computer needs to know who to get my content out in front of. So I've learned that's the second thing. The way I'm winning with my shorts is put a description in there, something briefly telling the computer really what this is all about, and then the algorithm and the computer systems know who to put your content in front of to get it the views that you need and to get it on that short shelf. That's the second thing, to make sure you do some type of description, let the computer know who it's really for. And then of course you can also, some people will read it, you can direct them to some of your other content in the descriptions and certain links like that. The third way that I'm winning and that you can start winning with your YouTube short form content is that to have each one different lengths. I've got some that's 10 seconds, I've got some that's 30 seconds, I've got some that was right at the 60-second mark. I chopped those down to under 60 seconds. So when you have a different variety of time frames, it gives the computer algorithm a chance to diversify your whole reach, and you're able to reach out. So matter of fact, I want to show you something on the screen real quick. This is something that happened. I did a video a while back. Go check that video. If you hadn't watched it, go check that video out. Okay, it was talking about how my views went up overnight. I laid down on Thursday night, woke up Friday morning, and I had over 500 views. Matter of fact, if you look on that Breathing In That Good, that's Prana, that was the one I did, all right? That one, and also They're So Wrong About You. Both of those shot up overnight, 500 views, and I was really blown away. And all I'm doing is using these same principles. I've got some type of hashtag. Look on the screen. That's one of my hashtags. Only connects to me. Hashtag Stevon Shorts. Another one is Stevon J Biz, and I even got a Stevon NextLevel Fam. For those who are subscribing, coming in, you can start using that hashtag and we can start linking up these pages. You can start showing up with me, I'll start showing up with you, and we can make this thing happen together. So those are definitely 3 ways that I'm winning with these YouTube short form content. Okay, like I said, those hashtags were good. Now the analytics is I got that from Channel Makers. If you go inside your analytics, you'll also see where it says shorts. It'll show you if it's been on the shelf or not. Shorts, and that'll show you percentage of your content that has been on the short shelf. Also, there's a little symbol icon that shows up, a little shiny symbol icon. I can get more into that too, and I'll be happy to do some more videos on that to let you know what that looks like. As well as going incognito. Go incognito on your channel, check out some of those hashtags. If you go incognito, you can go on your channel and see if it's showing up. If it's in that short beta window, it's on the shelf, and that's another way you can tell that it's on there. So let me know if you want to hear more about this, more updates, and I can do that for you. If you let me know in the comment section if you want to know more about how to make maybe how to repurpose some of your content for the short form content. Also, subscribe. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, and even my YouTube journey. If you want to share that with me, hit that subscribe button, join the family. I upload videos like this all the time, so you always have motivation around here. Make sure you turn on all your notifications and hit that bell. That way when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know about it. Check the links in the description. I got a lot of fun and exciting things down there. As a matter of fact, if you take some of the merchandise, I'm excited about that. Some financial investments, if you're into stock investments, Weeble links down there. Different affiliate links. I've got the TubeBuddy. If you're one of those who want to grow your YouTube, check out the TubeBuddy link. There's a lot of things down there to support me and you as well, so check that out as well. Now, 2 more videos are going to come up on the screen. One is going to be a recommendation from YouTube system. The other one is the video I put together, 5 signs whether YouTube is for you or not. Click that, watch that, see me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. Remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. There's nothing that needs to be done in our lives that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.